Hello guys, welcome back to another session of Verilog coding with me. So let's get started. So in the last sessions we have completed the basic gates. So today we will be seeing about 2:1 multiplexer. So let's see our problem statement. Create a 1 bit wide 2 to 1 multiplexer. When select equal to 0 choose A, when select equal to 1 choose B. So expected solution around one line. So they are given the expected solution. Otherwise we can write in many different ways, like using a case statement, using a if statement, or using a ternary operator. So as per their expected solution length, we can say that it is used, they have used a ternary operator. So what is a ternary operator? If you don't know, then I will create a video on my another playlist, that is Verilog basics, so you can check that video out. So let's see how we can write the code. So we have to write the assign statement. Assign out equal to, so in the ternary operator is basically if only, but just in a single line. So first we have to write a statement, that is if select equal to 0, when select equal to 0 choose A, when select equal to choose B. So this is the ternary operator. This question mark is the ternary operator. So A is to B. So what is this A is to B? So the ternary operator decides, this is our condition, when select equal to 0, the ternary operator will give the output as A, or else it will give us the output as B. So let's submit the solution. So as you can see, compilation process has been started, and you can see the status success, and here are the timing diagrams. So in the next video I will be showing how we can write it using a case statement. So that's all for this video.